Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're seeing me for the very first time, I'm Jill, and welcome to our home of growth focus and transformation. Let me tell you something real, something life will keep trying to teach you over and over again until you finally understand it. Life is a teacher and it repeats its lessons, not because it hates you, but because it wants you to grow, shape you, strengthen you, and prepare you for the person you are meant to become. Every situation in your life, every setback, every heartbreak, every disappointment, every moment that disappoints you or cracks you open comes with a message. And here is the truth. Life will keep bringing the same message until you finally understand the lesson inside. Some of you are wondering, why do I keep meeting the same type of people? Why do I keep repeating the same struggle? Why do I keep trusting the wrong people? Why does life keep bringing the same pain? And I will tell you why. Because you haven't learned the lesson yet. And life, my friend, is patient. Life will whisper the lesson softly at first, then it will speak louder, then it will shout, then it will break you open, not to destroy you, but to wake you up. Think about the relationships you have had. How many times have you ignored the red flags because you were afraid of being alone? How many times have you tried to fix someone who didn't want to be fixed? How many times have you stayed longer than you should have because you hoped someone would change? Life keeps sending you the same type of person until you finally learn to love yourself enough to walk away the first time instead of the 10th time. Life keeps teaching this. Self-love is the foundation of everything. Every problem that keeps repeating comes from ignoring yourself, betraying yourself, or abandoning your worth. And when you finally learn to choose you, everything changes. Your relationships change, your peace changes, your energy changes, your whole destiny shifts. But life doesn't stop there. Life will teach you about money too. It will teach you that if you don't respect your own salary, nobody else will. If you don't save or plan or build for the future, life will create situations that force you to see the value of financial discipline. You might even hit rock bottom financially, not because God hates you, but because life is trying to teach you how to stand on your own feet. Some lessons come through pain, others through disappointment, others through silence. But all of them have the same purpose, growth. Life will also teach you about people. If you keep trusting too quickly, life will bring people who betray you. If you keep telling everyone your dreams, life will bring people who laugh at them. If you keep telling people your salary, life will bring jealousy. If you keep telling people who you hate, life will bring chaos and drama. If you keep telling people your weaknesses, life will bring those who use them against you. Life is not punishing you, it is training you to protect your peace. And here is another life lesson keeps repeating until you learn. Not everyone is your friend. Not everyone deserves access to you. Not everyone can walk with you to your destiny. Some people are seasonal. Some were meant to teach you patience, boundaries, strength, courage, and self-respect. Not meant to stay forever. Life also teaches you to walk away, to quit things that drain your soul, to leave places where you are not respected, to retire from situations where you have outgrown the environment. And if you don't learn this lesson, life will keep placing you in the same painful environment until you finally say, enough, I choose peace. Life will keep teaching you boundaries. If you don't set boundaries, people will drain you. They will use you, they will take you until you are empty. And when you learn to say no without feeling guilty, life celebrates because you finally got it. Life keeps teaching gratitude too. You will never appreciate peace until you survive chaos. You will never appreciate good friend until you meet a fake one. You will never appreciate real love until you experience heartbreak. You will never appreciate a job until you survive unemployment. You will never appreciate your health until you face illness. Life's lessons are not meant to break you, they are meant to reveal you, who you are, what you tolerate, what you believe you deserve, what you need to heal, what you need to stop repeating. Life will also keep teaching you that healing is your responsibility. People hurt you, yes. People lied to you, yes. People abandoned you, yes. But healing, that one belongs to you. Life will keep bringing the same pain until you stop blaming and start healing. And here is the deepest of all. Life will keep teaching you that your peace is worth more than anything, more than relationship, more than validation, more than approval, more than status, more than popularity, more than fear, more than pride. When you finally choose peace over noise, your life transforms. Your heart clears, your mind clears, your path becomes brighter. Life will also teach you to let go. Some lessons hurt because you are holding on to what is gone. Some lessons hurt because we are forcing what was never meant for us. Letting go is an exam life that keeps giving until you pass it. Life keeps teaching patience. What is meant for you won't rush. It won't disappear. It won't need you to chase it. It simply needs to be ready. And readiness. Readiness is built through lessons. Every repeated moment is life saying, look again, listen again, learn again, grow again. I'm trying to show you something. And when you finally learn the lesson, life opens new doors. Then the pain stops repeating. The pattern breaks. The cycle ends. The people change. Your mindset shifts. Your energy rises. And the entire direction of your life shifts. Because life only repeats lessons until you learn them. Once you learn them, everything changes. So today, my friend, I want you to think, what keeps repeating in your life? What keeps hurting you? What keeps draining you? What keeps disappointing you? What keeps frustrating you? There is a lesson inside it. Learn it, master it, rise from it, because the day you'll understand the lesson is the day your life truly transforms. See you in the next video. Bye.